This video tutorial has been developed as a guide to assist custodial parents with submitting electronic direct deposit on the North Carolina Child Support Portal. The North Carolina Child Support Portal can be accessed by visiting www.ncchildsupport.ncdhhs.gov. Once you have accessed the North Carolina Child Support Portal from the home page, click on the Parents tab for a drop-down menu of choices. From that menu, click on eChild Support Login. From this page, there are two options: Register Here or Log in to eChild Support. If you are new to the portal and do not have an NCID, you will need to register your account in NCID. After successful registration of an NCID, you will return to this page to log in. If you already registered with an NCID, you will choose the option to log in. After successful registration and login, in the right-hand menu, you will find a Direct Deposit Authorization section. Here you have the option to print a direct deposit form in English or Spanish, or submitting the authorization electronically. To submit electronically, click on Direct Deposit Electronic Submission under the Direct Deposit Authorization menu. This option is available to custodial parents only. From this page, you are instructed to use the navigation buttons included to maneuver through the form. To avoid errors, do not use the back button to navigate through the form. Instead, use the previous and next buttons that will be found on each page. You have the option to update any personal information from this page by clicking on the Manage My Personal Information link. After completion of the form, allow 3 to 4 weeks for direct deposit to take effect. Payments will be received by debit card or check until the request is processed. You are limited to one electronic request every 30 days. If changes are needed prior to the end of the 30 days since last submission, print a paper copy and mail the form. If there is an issue with your request, you will receive a rejection notice by email detailing the problem. You will need to return to this page within 14 days to make the corrections and resubmit your request. If you do not make the corrections within 14 days, you will need to submit a new electronic request. When you are ready to proceed with an electronic submission, be sure you have one of the following documents available to upload: a pre-printed voided check, or a bank deposit enrollment form from the bank or their website, or a manually completed direct deposit form which has been signed by a bank representative. There is a list of direct deposit frequently asked questions that you can access for more information by clicking on Direct Deposit FAQs. At the bottom of the form, you have the option to start or change direct deposit or stop direct deposit. You can also click on Return to the main menu to exit this form. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will select the radio button next to Start, Change Direct Deposit, then click Next. A pop-up window will appear that allows you to confirm the action to set up a new direct deposit or to make a change to an existing direct deposit. Click Continue to move forward. The form will appear with your information pre-populated. Remember that you can make changes to your demographic data by scrolling back to the top of the page and clicking on Manage My Personal Information. You will need to select the type of account for direct deposit. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will select a savings account. Depending on which type of account you select, a pop-up box will appear with instructions on specific documents that will need to be uploaded. Click OK to continue. You will be directed to the Document Upload page, which will provide instructions on specific documents that need to be uploaded. Click on the drop-down arrow in the first field to select the document you wish to upload. A drop-down menu will appear to select one of the required documents for upload. Make a selection, then click in the next field to browse your device for the document for upload. It is important to note that the selected document file name can only contain letters, digits, and no spaces. If the file name is not valid, you will receive an error message to correct the file name before upload can occur. Once the document is selected for upload, click Upload. After successful upload of a document, you will see a message appear at the top that reads, "Document uploaded successfully," and you will also see the document in the Upload Documents section at the bottom of the form. You can view the document or delete the document and start the upload process over. Click Next to proceed. You will be directed to the certification statement, which reads, "By electronically signing the application for direct deposit, you agree that your electronic signature is the legally binding equivalent to your handwritten signature. Review your document thoroughly before signing. No changes can be made once the form is signed. You will be prompted to provide your electronic signature on the next screen when you click the Sign and Submit button. Your signature must be completed prior to submitting the form." You will click the box next to Acknowledge the Electronic Signature Agreement, then click Review Direct Deposit Form for submission to continue. A PDF copy of your direct deposit authorization form will appear in PDF format for your review. Review the form completely before clicking on Provide Signature Electronically. No changes can be made once the authorization form is signed. A DocuSign window will open for you to provide the electronic signature. You will be prompted to sign and complete the DocuSign document. You will be directed back to the certification statement where you will find a message that your authorization request has been submitted successfully. You can click on View, Print, Submitted Directed Deposit Authorization Form for a copy of your submission. Then click on Return to the main menu. You will also receive email notification that your request is being processed and to allow 3 to 4 weeks for your request to take effect. We hope this tutorial will assist you in submitting an electronic request for direct deposit of payments. You can access the portal by visiting ncchildsupport.ncdhhs.gov. Thank you for viewing the NC eChild Support Portal tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact customer service at 800-992-9457.